this time to thank the media for visiting us today in Mantle Day and Boarding Primary School. I am George, one of the directors of Mantle Day and Boarding Primary School. Today I'm very excited, I'm very happy to have my candidates of 2025 who have excelled in this examination. We have Francis Okwa and then Stephen Aye. They have performed very well, scoring at grade 5 for Stephen and then at grade 6 for Francis. All this I really take time to thank God dearly for having taken us through these good results. We appreciate God for His loving care, for His protection, and for the wisdom He has given to these candidates of ours, and it has made them to perform very well. To my side of Ola and then Francis, these have been very hardworking boys, very disciplined boys. As you know, discipline acts as a cornerstone towards success, and very good fearing people. They love praying and have been praying for these good results. We now urge them that they should go and continue with the same in any part of education that they will attain in a later time. We are really very happy for the parents, for the guardians, for the community, for the support they have rendered. You know, when you have a peaceful environment, you are able to perform very well. And that's why we are seeing today, these people are very happy. I don't know how they were feeling. Alright, how do you feel now? What was your intention? Was it a good fight or it was just by accident that you managed to get fight?
No. I worked hard to get 4.
Just only one would say absolute error. very minute error. But still you are going to make it. We hope for you to get 8 for 8, where you'll be going. Francis, is this what you wanted to get? 6? He intended to get a 4. But by God's grace, he has got this still very good for you. And go with the art of participating and then competing. That's what I know. Go and compete, go and participate in every event. Okay? With a new curriculum, it's all about what you can do. What you can do. You understand that?
I want to thank
Not what someone can
Almighty
do.
for doing
So go
this.
and participate, go and work with them.
I've come here
Go and
to
respect the school
my teachers,
administrators,
the
respect your
director,
fellow
the
friends,
teachers,
respect the
and
teachers
teaching
and
staff,
everyone
and
where you are
teaching
going.
staff.
So that you still have these good results ahead of you. Okay? I'm very happy. We continue to pray for you, and we urge the parents over there that we still have space, and we are here to prepare children, we are here to prepare the learners to be good people. We have the conducive environment, we have good accommodations, we have experienced teachers and well-trained workers that know what they are supposed to do. The school still welcome you for the few vacancies that are still existing in primary 1 up to primary 6. We continue to put all our dreams, all our effort in God's favor, so that God can help us attain whatever we have planned in this new year, 2026, to be successful. Thank you so much.